moving out of this place after 5 years living with my sister has been amazing. Being in for the last 5 years, Southwest London, it's been amazing to be here. But new journey, new chapter, moving in with my girlfriend, get to decorate, design the place, get into my interior bag as well. So that's something to look forward to. I think a lot more interior content coming up too. So very exciting new chapter I have ahead of me. Anyway, did you guys clock that yesterday when I was doing bouldering, I was basically using the footholds that you're supposed to use to come down to like basically climb, and I clocked it afterwards. I was like, that wasn't actually a problem for me to solve. Those were just footholds to come down. Anyway, listen, that was my second time bouldering. I think it's such a great activity, and it's also great to do it with like 2 or 3 friends. You know, you can talk about the problems, how to solve them. You know, someone might be really good at one thing, and then someone might be good at another thing, and also just a great way to kind of catch up with your boys or girls. Anyway, need to get back to packing because the van is coming in a couple of hours, so let's do it. As you can see from the new settings, we are in the new flat. Obviously everything is super bare, there's stuff all over the place, but it is just a settling in process. I'm so excited to be here. So happy to be living with my girlfriend. It's so nice. And it's just so beautiful that we get to spend the time and take the time to decorate this place. See, I showed you guys the table and I'll talk you through that, but there is also a familiar face with this desk chair that I brought back with me. My trusty rattan desk chair. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep it because we don't have a desk right now, and also I just don't know if I need it, and it might take up a little bit too much space even if we do have a desk. I just want a really nice, small, compact desk chair if I do keep one. So this might be going. Let me show you some other little things. This table, we picked it up at a flea market, 25 quid, kind of mid-century vibe. The rest of the room, obviously you still have some of the building work which we really need to get rid of. And then there is still a bunch of boxes over there that we need to also get rid of. But everything is a work in progress. We still don't even have a bed yet. But let's move over to the main event, which is this lovely table. And I love this little nook that we have. I'm gonna be getting into my interior decorating bag here. So this table, the table and chairs are all teak. The table, we picked it up on eBay for about 150, so I would highly recommend, if you're on a budget, look at eBay, Facebook Marketplace, the obvious kind of places, don't have to buy brand new. Same with the chairs, set of 4, we picked them up from a woman's workshop, literally down the road. I think all 4 of them were 300. It's a lot cheaper than some of the other chairs that we were looking at. Very happy, they're in good condition. Obviously they have been used. This little nook is beautiful. And as you can see, the way that the sun is shining through is sensational. Early days for everything. So I will keep you guys posted, keep you updated on the progress of this flat. But with this lovely day, I might just go for a little walk before I start my day. So following our trip to the flea market, I just wanted to show you guys quickly what we picked up. So first up was this lovely fruit bowl. Oh, it was sick. This was like 22 quid, so very nice. Then my girlfriend found this lovely vase, I think. Do you call it a vase? Anyway, we're gonna use it as a vase. So we've got some flowers, gonna put that in there now. But yeah, we got there kind of late because Saturday night was a heavy one. So we woke up very hungover. In any case, didn't really just want to buy for the sake of buying. So those are two items that were kind of on our list. And a fruit bowl especially is very, very essential. Birthday, so I took the day off so that we could have a little bit of breakfast, go for a little walk, chill for a bit, and then we're gonna also be going for dinner at Trullo. So we just moved to basically northeast London, and it's so sick, it's so surreal just being here to be able to like just spend it every day pretty much together. Wake up together, chill, just go to all the restaurants that we had on our list. So it's already an amazing start to the day. A little bit cloudy, not the most beautiful weather, but we move. weather certainly has changed. We've got blue skies now, which is beautiful. And now we're just gonna go and grab a pastry. So yeah, let's go to Popham's.